Welcome to yet another video, Dr. RS and you on science of cosmetics and personal care products. Now we are in part 66, skincare. We will discuss about the anti-aging formulation. As we discussed in the previous moisturization part, here also for the anti-aging formulation you have to be thorough with the part 3 skin structure and function video, part 4 common problems associated with skin, sunlight and skin aging, right, that chapter, and building blocks, and then building block actives for anti-aging, building blocks actives for sunscreen, then product development, preparation of emulsions, vanishing cream, cold cream, skin creams, right. So preparation of emulsions, all these things you have to be thorough, right, before getting into the anti-aging formula. As we did before, we will discuss some of the products marketed in this platform, anti-aging platform. So, anti-aging cream, one is vitamin C cream. Antioxidants are very important to build the elastin and collagen fibers, right. So now we have to go back to the anti-aging actives section and go through the mechanism of action which of each and every active which I have discussed there in detail. I am not going to discuss here again. So I am going to, if you want to cross verify, you can go to that relevant part which I have showed. So vitamin C cream, it's an anti-aging cream with antioxidants, right. So here wrinkle left, retinopeptides, they call it as retinopeptides, right. Active is retinopeptide. Okay, so combination of retinol, vitamin A derivative, retinol and peptides, that is the second one product active. One is antioxidants, vitamin C, the other wrinkle expert, retinopeptide, which contains retinol and peptides. The third product is this one, where the skin aging wrinkles are addressed by three routes. One through squalene and hyaluronic acid. Both help in moisturizing the skin, right. Grapeseed extract has potent antioxidants. So again, antioxidant benefit for the skin, and the peptides. So the actives here are peptides, moisturization and antioxidant benefits. So by 3 ways. So how these 3 ways can benefit, right? You can go into the anti-aging actives part and skin anti-aging part, and then you can go through that which I've showed you in the first slide. You can go through that part YouTube video, and I've explained in that fully, right. This is yet another anti-aging cream in the market. This product ingredients are listed: aqua, water, Coccus nucifera oil, this is coconut oil. Hydrogenated lecithin, hydrogenated lecithin, it's an emulsifier. Persea gradisoma seed oil, this is avocado seed oil. Theobroma cocoa seed oil, seed butter, this is cocoa butter, cocoa butter. Then acetyl hexapeptide 8 peptide, palmitoyl tetrapeptide 3 another peptide, Simondissa chinensis seed oil, this is, what is this? This is jojoba seed oil. Then Butyrosphaerium parkii seed butter, this is shea butter, Citrus 20, it's an emulsifier. Ubiquinone, it's a potent antioxidant. Vitis vinifera seed oil, this is again grape seed oil. Propylene glycol humectant. Retinol, again here glycine soja oil. Cellulose gum, it's a rheology modifier. Acrylate C10 C30 alkyl acrylate cross-polymer, it's a polymeric emulsifier. Chitosan, it's a rheology modifier. Glycerin humectant. Butylene glycol, another humectant. Carbomer, rheology modifying agent. Polysorbate 20, polyoxyethylene sorbiton monolaurate, right? So polysorbate 20 is an emulsifier. Palmitoyl oligopeptide, another peptide. Sodium hyaluronate moisturizer. Ascorbic acid antioxidant. Camellia chinensis extract, what is this extract? This is green tea extract, right? This is Melaleuca alternifolia oil. What is this oil? This is tea tree oil. Tocopherol, carbomer, I don't know, carbomer here also, but no. So isophenyldiol phenoxyethanol preservative, limonenol perfume. Phenoxyethanol is a preservative, right? Now this has so many oils, nourishing oils, from coconut oil to jojoba oil to grapeseed oil, and it has butters, cocoa butter, shea butter. Then it has antioxidants, green tea extract with potent polyphenols antioxidants, and ubiquinone antioxidants with retinol is also there. Sodium hyaluronate, which is a potent moisturizer. So nourishment to the skin through vegetable oils and butters. Then retinol, regeneration, cell turnover rate increase, and then peptide, initiation of elastin and collagen fibers. So this is through, and green tea extract and ubiquinone, potent antioxidants. Here also retinol, peptides, nourishment through butters and vegetable oils, and antioxidants. So through all the four routes, the skin aging problem is addressed, right? Serum, it's basically glycerin based. Vegetable glycerin. Why vegetable glycerin? Glycerin can be obtained from vegetable oils. Glycerin can be obtained from animal fats. So, vegetable glycerin. Hyaluronic acid for hydration. Collagen. Retinyl acetate, retinol, vitamin A, increase collagen production. Acetyl hexapeptide 8. Okay. Peptides which builds elastin and collagen. Phenoxyethanol and capryl glycol preservative. Sorbic acid preservative. Right. This is basically in a glycerin base. Right, and they sell it as serum. So, contains water, glycerin, hyaluronic acid, hydrolyzed collagen, retinyl acetate, acetyl hexapeptide 8, phenoxyethanol, capryl glycol and sorbic acid as a serum. So, this is yet another product for aging. So, yet another thing which can be important, which I am not seeing in many of the anti-aging product, is inclusion of sunscreens, because even though you repair through hydration, antioxidants and through peptides and retinol, the major cause, one of the major causes for aging skin is sunlight, right? So, all these actives strengthened with UVA and UVB protection, adequate UVA UVB protection, can give much more superior anti-aging product, right? This is what I want to tell you in this part. So, please go through all the sections which I told you in the initial page. If you go through that and see these ingredients, you will understand it better, and then you will be able to formulate your own anti-aging product. Right? Thank you. Thank you for listening to me in this video. Till we get connected again, bye. Be safe. Good luck. Thank you.